Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Teguh Wendy Arisman from Administration Education in Universitas Pendidikan Indonesia. I want to talk about my article Situational Leadership Readiness, the Impact of Four Dimensions in Elementary School. Okay. First, introduction. In carrying out his duties and function, the principal has a distinctive character or style. The situational leadership style can help the principal overcome the problems that occur with the circumstance being experienced by teacher or staff. This means that the principal adjusts to the problem being experienced by the teacher or staff. Next, literature review. Decisional leadership approach. Harsey and Blanchard opinion that to be an effective leader must adapt his leadership style to meet the abilities and needs of their followers and characterize leadership as having direction and supporting components and perspective and should be applied to some degree depending on the situation. And next, there are four styles situational leadership according to Hersey and Blanchard. Style 1. S1 is high on task behavior and low on relationship behavior, while style 2 S2 is high on both behavior. Style 3 S3 is high on relation behavior and low on task behavior. And style 4 S4 is low on both behaviors. Leader effective will be maximized if S1 match with R1, S2 with R2, S3 with R3, and S4 with R4. Next, Harsey and Blanchard 4 dimension. 1. Telling, 2. Selling, 3. Participating, and 4. Delegating. The first, telling. Leaders' role as telling means they are task-oriented, which is quite high and low relationship, or in another sense relationship that are classified and unfamiliar. It is implied the readiness of the member is low and given a high task. Therefore, in its implementation, the leader formulates the expected role of the members by telling them what to do, how to do, and where the implementation of activity is carried out. In other words, the principal behavior is directed. 2. Selling. If the leader functions as a selling, then it is task oriented with a firm and high level or relationship between the leader and the member. It means that in selling, the member readiness is high with the achievement as well. By playing this role, the roles played by member will become clear because they are in line with clear direction given by a leader. Thus, the task carried out by member will be maximized. Free participating. A leader function as a participating role means allow task oriented by the relation between the leader and member is good or intensive relationship. This means in participating in the readiness of member is high but given low achievement. The simple implementation is when the leader and his member have deliberation in making decision. In this case, the leader acts as a facilitator so that the discussion can run smoothly. And for delegating, the pace up with certain situation, the leader acts as delegate with the task orientation. This means that is delegating the readiness of member is low and there are given where assessment. The example of giving a task the leader limit himself in directing member and submitting the task complete to the member without much inference. Next, research methodology. This research was conducted at Elementary School 1 Ciniru Kuningan. This research used a qualitative research with descriptive case study. The subject of research is sample-based. This research used several methods including observation, interviews, and documentation. The analysis the data the research conducted, data reduction, data display, and conclusion drawing and verification. Research finding. Interview finding foretelling. Before giving the assessment, the principal gave two instruction and observation finding telling the principal give clear direction to his followers before work or doing a task. Documentation finding foretelling the existence of standard operating procedure for carried or task. And selling interview finding for selling, teacher or staff are given the purpose to express their opinions to the principal, and the principal give rewards to research assignment for either in intensive or kind or gift. Observation finding selling in a meeting, all those who attends the meeting will explain their opinions, critical, and suggestion. Documentasi finding selling, some trophies and items are given by the principal of the achievement sport. 3. Participating. Interview finding for participating. The principal pointed activities relate to communities member. Observation finding. The school participation in public service in making toilet in school. Documentasi finding. Photos or principal and member during public service active in the construction of toilet in school. And then delegating. Interview finding for delegating. The principal assigns full responsibility to members who were given certain tasks to complete them. Observation finding. The principal chooses a teacher to attend the meeting to represent him. And documentation finding. For delegating letter of assignment to teacher to attend a meeting at the senior official office. And then discussion. 1. Based on the result, it can be seen that the principal has implemented situational leadership. It can be seen that role of principal as telling, selling, participating, and delegating. 2. Based on the result of the study, the supporting factor for implementation of situational leadership are principal always tries to embrace all stakeholder, directs and motivates his member when carrying out work. As well, the availability of adequate facilitation and infrastructure to assist the learning process. To the next, meanwhile, the occupying factor is that there are still teachers who are difficult to given direction and cooperating, so that in doing the task is not optimal and not as expected. And the last conclusion, based on the result and discussion, the conclusion in the study are the implementation of the situational leadership style of elementary school one Ciniru's principal Kuningan has been implemented properly with various supporting and inhibiting factors. It still produces results and expected so that the school get accreditation A and becomes a sequential Ciniru in school in Ciniru district Kuningan. Okay, thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.